Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to reset a Citizen with module U700 or U706 if the hands and digital time are not matching. Press on the left button few times to put the watch in chronometer mode. Pull out the crown and wait for all the hands to stop moving. After all the movement of the hands should stop as shown in the small diagram in the left, that is vertically facing upwards. If they are not like that, continue to watch this video to fix this issue. Press and hold the upper right button for 2 seconds until CRS is displayed on the screen. Now we have to use the two buttons on the right side to face the chronograph second to 60 or vertically facing upwards. Use the two buttons on the right side. Once this is done, press on the left button one time and wait for the hands to stop moving. Now use the two buttons on the right side to move the hands of the small middle chronograph dials to face 0 or vertically facing upwards. Press on the left button one time and now use again the two buttons on the right side to move the hour hand and the small 12 or 24 hours dial hand to face 0 or vertically facing upwards. Press the left button one time and now we have to use the two buttons on the right side to move together the minute hand and the second hand to face 0 on the clock or vertically facing upward. As you can see now, all the hands of the watch are vertically facing upward, so this is fixed. Push back the crown to the 0 position and press on the left button to put the watch in the time mode. Here is a video on how to set the time and date on this watch. Thank you for watching this video and please subscribe to my channel.